This is Eleonora and I'm Pierre. She's our singing teacher. She's an opera singer and I'm a complete beginner. I'll ask her questions and she'll answer. I'll exercise and you can exercise with me. Eleonora, I think my head voice is super weak. It sounds breathy and airy. I feel like I'm losing control when I go higher. It's frustrating because I know I need to use it for some of the songs I want to sing.
That's a very common issue. For singers who are still developing their upper range, head voice can feel very disconnected at first. And it takes a lot of focused work to find it, strengthen it, and learn how to trust it. But don't worry, we will get it there together.
I'm relieved to hear that. So, where do we start?
At the beginning, of course. The first step is always a proper warm up. Because you want to get your voice functioning gently without pressure. Let's start with lip trills. You know the sound, right? We did it before, like a motorboat or a horse, like this. So, do it with me.
Just do it again.
That's good. Now, while you're doing that, I want you to glide from your lowest comfortable note up to your highest and then back down. Think of it like a vocal slide with no breaks in between and just try to stay smooth and relaxed, like this.
Wow, I can already feel my voice stretching a bit. It tickles.
Great, that bass you feel is a good sign. It means your vocal folds are vibrating freely and the breath is flowing with ease. Lip trills are perfect because they remove tension from the throat and allow you to connect to your breath support naturally.
That makes sense. And what's next?
Next, we will do an NG slide. Say the word sing and hold on to the NG at the end. Notice how your tongue rests against the roof of your mouth. The sound will resonate in your nose and cheeks. Sing.
Okay, I feel it vibrating in my face.
That's right. Now hold that NG sound and do gentle slides up and down in pitch. Keep the airflow steady and light like this.
A strange feeling. It feels weird, but it feels focused.
That's true. The mask resonance you feel is a key for a strong, clear head voice. You're training your instrument to work efficiently. This exercise encourages head resonance without weight or pressure. It helps your vocal cords learn to stay together in a relaxed way.
Is there a way to make the tone a little stronger too?
Yes, let's use the woo on a 5-tone scale. Think of a light owl hoot. Start with a soft, dopey sounding woo from low to high and back. Keep it light and connected, like this. Woo!
Woo!
Very good, except the end. The soft woo helps you to find in your head voice clarity and stability without force. It balances airflow and chord closure, and it keeps the sound from getting swallowed or pushed into the throat.
Now I leave Eleonora for 6 seconds and talk to you directly. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to hit subscribe. It helps the channel and you'll never miss a new video. Back to Eleonora. Got it. It feels easier than trying to belt. I mean, using the chest voice higher than normal.
It should. Now we will add some energy using the Re exercise. Use a slightly breathy tone like a cartoon character and sing Re on an octave leap, then descend like this. Re.
It really cuts through.
Exactly. The brightness you hear is resonance. The R consonant helps you get clean vocal fold contact, and the E vowel opens your throat. This combination brings more ring and clarity.
Should I go higher with it?
Yes, but step by step. Always go up by a semitone with each repetition and stop if you feel tension. Stay in a range where you can maintain clarity and control, like this. Re, re, re.
Oh, I can feel more security already. But I struggled to hold notes up there.
That's very common, and it's just an issue you can solve over time. It will build strength in your head voice. Now, let's do a sustained note exercise. Take a deep breath using diaphragmatic breathing and then sing a head voice note on A or U. Hold it for 5 to 8 seconds and try to focus on staying relaxed and supported. Like this. You try now. That's perfect.
It's hard to keep it steady.
That's where support comes in. Think of gently engaging your lower belly muscles and let them expand as you breathe in. Gently resist as you sing out. That will keep your breath flow even.
I see. It's more about control than power.
Exactly. Less is more. Over time, this trains endurance and teaches your body how to support the tone properly. You can also use a hand on your belly to feel the engagement.
A silly question. Is it okay if it sounds a little breathy at first?
Yes, but our goal is always clarity. That's why the combination of exercises matters. Lip trills balance the breath and NG tones help focus resonance. The Wu and Ri build strength and clarity, and sustained notes develop control and support.
I understand. It's like building blocks.
Precisely. Now to cool down, let's hum gently on descending scales. A relaxed starting in head voice and sliding down to chest.
Mm. That feels grounding.
It is. Always give your voice a soft landing after intense work. Because head voice can be very delicate, so treat it kindly.
How often should I do this routine?
Ideally, 15 to 20 minutes a day. You can rotate the exercises, but consistency is the key. Over a few weeks, you will notice your head voice becoming easier, stronger, and more integrated.
Wow, that gives me hope. I thought I just didn't have a head voice.
We all do. It just needs awakening and support. Singing is part technique, part patience. Trust the process and your voice will bloom.
Thanks, Eleonora. This session was a game changer.
I am so glad. Now go practice and remember, float the sound and don't push it. Let your breath carry the tone.
Will do. See you at the next lesson.
Do you want to sing yourself with real power and soul? Do you want to see how Eleonora nails opera, contemporary music, and songwriting? Then click the link below the video or go directly to superiorsingingcoach.com. That is superiorsingingcoach.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe. It helps the channel and you'll never miss a new video.